Kanitha uyu niguo wakirwo haria Jesu athikirwo mucii-ini wa Jerusalem bururi-ini wa Israel. Gwakwo kwa kanitha uyu kirima-ini giki hari njira ya gutigirira ati haha ni harumbuyo na njira igwete.
So we are in the Christian port, and as you see, we didn't get any checks, no doors, no gates, no fences, no anything. So the old city, four quarters are open to anyone.
No. Athikirwo ja ihingo cia Jerusalem kaburi-ini kari ka Joseph wa Arimathea. Kurigana na Johana 19:38 nginya 42 Jesu athikirwo haha ni Joseph wa Arimathea na Nicodemus kaburi-ini karia gatathikitwo mundu hau kabere.
He was a very wealthy Jewish guy, and he will decide, I will give my personal cave, my family cave, to the burial of Jesus. So today the sepulchre, the Holy Sepulchre, actually was from Joseph of Arimathea. Okay? Now, behind what is today the sepulchre, okay, there's another cave that we today give them the name of Simon of Arimathea, okay, but just in honor, to honor him. And that is the second piece of the puzzle. When I say indirectly, we can connect this place with the story as the New Testament will say it. Because I say, one, we are outside of the walls, so it's Roman law and Jewish law.
Na magana mado nio mokaga haha kuhoya kanitha-ini uyu na uria wakitwo hakuhi na muthigiti.
That this is the place that 90% sure that Jesus was buried. One, this was outside of the city walls, so we are okay with Roman law and with Jewish law. Okay, and second, if this place during the time of Jesus was used as a place of burial. Doesn't matter if it was Jesus. If other people were buried here, it means this was a place that traditionally people were buried. Okay?
Na thutha wa gwakwo gwa kanitha uyu akristiano aria mari amiriri a kanitha uyu merikanaga kugucaniria cabi cia kanitha uyu. Cabi icio ciacokire kuoyo ni aithiramu eri na aria marokaga haha o rucini kuhingura kanitha uyu kuhe mweke aria mokaga haha kuhoya. Thutha wa kuona hodero Jesu Kristo athikirwo na kuringana na aria menyerete kana aria makoretwo makirora haha makauga ni handu ha bata muno hari ndini ya Gikristo na ni handu thirikari ya guku bururi wa Israel ihete gitio na njira na koguo ni handu hakorwo hakirorwo na njira na kuringana na o haha hari kirima.
But if we go into the church and we will go up the stairs, so we are going up. Topographically, physically, we're going up. So this was a kind of a hill that we remember he was brought to a hill and crucified. What we call the Calvary, right? The Calvario. That's upstairs. And then, remember, these are only the 5 last stations.
Jaya kaburi gaka ari ruthingo rwa Jerusalem mucii-ini wa tene wa Jerusalem. Mucii uyu ona kuri ugo ntari wamenyeka kana niguo mucii munene wa Daudi kana Sham. Amwe magikirira nganja. Amwe metikitie kaburi ka Daudi kari haha na ugo Jerusalem ya tene kana Old Jerusalem niguo mucii munene wa Daudi no angi makiregana na kana niguo mucii munene wa Daudi. Kurigana na ibuku ria Samueli wa keeri murango wa gatano muhari wa mugwanja muthamaki Daudi aiyukirie mucii wa Jerusalem kuuma Zeru. Ucio hari muhari wa gatandatu. Na thutha wa kuiyukia mucii uyu Daudi akiwita mucii munene wa Daudi na waki waguo kiambiriria. Samueli wa keeri murango wa gatano kenda nginya 10 ukiuga Daudi acokire kugia hinya makiria kumana na gukorwo Ngai ari hamwe nake.
And the symbol of David was the Star of David. Actually, no. The Star of David was first used as a Jewish symbol only in the Middle Ages, as we know it. So tradition will say it's the Star of David and will continue tradition, but actually, under historian point of view, only from the Middle Ages we know it as a Jewish traditional symbol.
Kuuma guku reke twerekere iria-ini riuikaine ta Dead Sea. Mai na muthanga wa iria riri ria Dead Sea aingi metikitie mari na uhoti wa kumahonia mirimu ya ngothi.
Well, the Dead Sea is an internationally recognized site. First of all, it's the lowest point on Earth. We're now standing on literally the lowest point on Earth, around 470 meters beneath sea level.
Dead Sea ni handu hatamburitwo thiini wa thi. Niho handu haria hari thi makiria thiini wa thi. Ari mita 400 thi ya haria iria rikinyaga thiini wa thi. Mai ma iria riri mari na cumbi muingi muno. kuri maria mangĩ mothe thĩinĩ wa thĩ ũndũ gũtarĩ nyamũ kana kĩndũ kĩmuoyo kĩngĩikara haha. Kumana na cumbĩ ũyũ nĩkĩo andũ mahotaga kũrera maĩ-inĩ na gũthoma ngathĩti marĩ iria-inĩ.
12 times the density of salt in the regular ocean water. And this is what allows the people, as we may see in the background, to float on the water literally and read a newspaper or something like that.
No iria rĩrĩ gwa kahinda rĩkoretwo rĩkĩhũa o mũthenya ũndũ ũrĩa rĩu wĩkĩrĩte wagagu thirikari ya Israel. Kũhũa kwa iria rĩrĩ gũkiumana na ũhũthĩri wa maĩ maya nĩ iganda.
Israel has been facing in recent years, and not just Israel, by the way. Today is not a very clear day, but if it was a clear day, in the distance you would be able to see.
Israel nĩ ikoretwo ikĩgũmĩrwo nĩ kũhũa kwa iria rĩrĩ. Ũngĩrora mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ wa bũrũri wa Jordan nĩ ũkuona ũnyihu wa maĩ.
The Kingdom of Jordan, our neighbors, and the biggest environmental challenge that we've been facing in the last few years, I would say in the last few decades, is the drying up of the sea.
Na bũrũri wa Israel ũriganĩte na mabũrũri matũraga na mbara na tharĩkĩra kuma ikundi cia wĩkinaĩ. Mabũrũri ta Syria ũndũ ũmwe na bũrũri wa Lebanon. Mũthenya wa rũciũ njĩtĩkĩria tũkang'etie ciĩgiĩ ũgitĩri. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma Jerusalem bũrũri-inĩ wa Israel tũrekwo na Macharia Gachuru.